In this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your SD card on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Some provide full guide and easily transfer any file, photo, video from SD card to Galaxy or Galaxy to SD card. So at first you take a card reader. So as you can see, this is my card reader, but this is a USB cable, and I'm take a converter USB to Type C. At first connect and put in to SD card. Okay, and just connect. So at first open file apps. I'm easily connect this. As you can see, now successfully connect my SD card. Okay, easily transfer any file, photo, like select, press on to move, showing it to internal storage or USB. Select and select any folder, press on to move here. That's it.